Can you get the papaya in a grower carton? So how you get a papaya is through a something called an exotic seed pack. It's something from the shop, right? If you go to the shop right now, you can see there's a couple of things we can buy: the exotic flower seed pack and the exotic cosmetic crate. So if you want to get a papaya, you usually buy an exotic seed pack, and it was a 40% chance drop. I'm pretty sure, but right now the exotic seed pack is not available on the shop because it was seasonal right now, right? So the only thing that's available right now is the exotic flower seed pack and the exotic cosmetic crate. Right now, there is no other way to obtain the papaya because it was a limited time event. So you do need to buy the exotic seed pack right there. And you need to buy it with Robux. So you need to buy it with real money. Or if you could get Robux from other methods, you could buy it for free like that as well. So if you want to get the papaya, you either need to wait for a rerun of this particular banner, the exotic seed pack, and then you have to make sure that you have the enough Robux to do it as well. And you can see I'm showing the thumbnail on the screen right now. This is what it will look like. So just keep playing and then check back on the shop every now and then. Who knows, maybe it might have a rerun. But other than that, there is no current way to obtain a papaya seed. You can also get gifted from a friend, I'm pretty sure. But in terms of seed, if you want to get it manually, then you'll have to buy it from the shop, which right now isn't possible because the banner or the event, limited event is already out.